Hi, and welcome to NFT Fundamentals, where you will learn how to use, buy, sell, and even make your own NFTs for business, fun, and profit. I'm George Levy, and I will be your instructor. Let's review now what we will cover in this course. We will begin the course with what are NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. In that section, I will describe to you what NFTs are and why they are so relevant. We will then go into a brief history of NFTs. NFTs are very buzzworthy now, but they've been around for some time, and it's important for you to understand where NFTs came from so that you can understand perhaps where the market may be heading. From there, we will go into a section called Why You Should Create NFTs. Many people are thinking that NFTs are hot, but they don't really understand why they should create NFTs. In that section, I will give you clear action items as to why you should create NFTs. From there, we'll go into a section on NFT blockchain basics, where we will talk about briefly blockchain technology and how blockchain technology enables NFTs to actually exist. It's very important for you to understand why NFTs are available and how blockchain makes this technology possible. We will then go into a section titled 6 Easy Steps to Buying, Creating, and Selling NFTs. I provided for you an easy downloadable PDF guide that has 6 easy steps to buying, creating, and selling NFTs. My objective is to give you a 6-step formula to easily buy, create, and sell NFTs. We will then take those 6 easy steps and we'll go through a walkthrough on how to buy an NFT. In that step, I will personally go through the process of buying an NFT so you see how it is done following the 6 easy steps. We'll then go through a walkthrough on how to create and sell an NFT from a digital asset. I will create an NFT using a digital asset so you can see exactly the steps I take following the 6 easy steps, and I create that NFT from a digital asset. The next section will go into how to create an NFT from physical assets. Most people do not know that it is possible to create an NFT from a physical asset. But there are some issues and tasks that need to be taken in order for you to be able to create an NFT from a physical asset. In that section, I'll walk you through the steps of creating an NFT from a physical asset. I will then go into a section called Growing Your NFT Business. For you to create just one NFT basically does not give you all the opportunities that you have available, from creating a wide range of NFTs to satisfy various audiences. When you're creating NFTs, you don't simply have to limit yourself to just one NFT. In fact, the best thing you can do is create a wide range of NFTs to satisfy various audiences as you actually establish your following and sell your NFTs. We will then finish the course with valuable additional resources that you can take advantage of in order to keep growing as you expand your usage of NFTs.